Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix GCash verification problem. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now the first thing that we could do here is we want to first check or just wait for any updates on the current verification status for our account in GCash. So that typically ranges from 1 to 7 days, so just wait for those days until you receive a verification that your account has been verified. So if you don't receive that after 7 days, then there's something that we could do about this one. So first thing is you want to open up your GCash mobile application and log in into your account. Now from here, you need to click on the help button that you see at the top right of your screen. And from here, you'll be redirected into the help center. Now, since we are dealing with our account here, so we want to choose your GCash account. And from here, you want to scroll down a bit until we see the verify your account section. So it's going to give you these different articles here that you could use to fix your problem. But since we aren't able to fix this one, we could choose anything that we think is actually quite related to our problem. So in here, we could choose the what should I do if my verification failed. Just click on that. And in here, it's going to give you a few details about the verification process and even the errors that you might encounter. So if this doesn't work, or if you already followed all the tips that you have here, actually at the very bottom, you'll see a section that says submit a ticket. So just click on that link. Now from here, it's going to redirect us to the ticket help center where you could actually submit a ticket to get responses or help on our verification process on our account. So here you'll have to enter your email address as well as your GCash registered full name, as well as the country where you registered your GCash account, and your mobile number and your concern category. So in this case, let's just choose the category that we want to use here. So maybe we want to use account verification. And from here, we want to choose I have an existing application. And here we want to choose my account instead, and we're verifying your account. Now here, your account type, you could choose a regular account. Here, ID submitted for verification. You could use the following IDs that you use for verification. So if you use a driver's license, make sure that you use driver's license here. And from here, you could submit a screenshot of the transaction or error prompt. Just click on that. And from here, date of last attempt. So when you last with KYC, which means know your client. So it means our last time we verified our identity here. So here it's going to ask you kind of provide all the details that will help us assist you with your concern. So just give a brief overview on what you encountered on your verification process or your verification problem. Now from here, if you have any attachments that you like to provide, just click on attachment here. And here, just click on submit. And from there, you just need to wait for the reply from GCash support. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.